So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to invest into an ETF here inside of the Wealthsimple Trade mobile application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, I go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on this screen, go to where it says trending categories and press on where it says see all categories. So press on that right here. Then a whole bunch of different options you can select from if you want to invest in, advertising, agriculture, automotive, you name it. But we want to do ETFs for the sake of this video. So we're going to go ahead to the bottom here to where it says ETFs. Then once you're on this screen, you can go ahead and sort it by popularity. There's 854 total. So there's VFV, the Vanguard S&P, Vanguard, you can do whatever you want. You can go to where it says market cap, average volume. So if you wanted to, just for this example, go into where it says this one, ZWC, the BMO Canadian High Dividend Covered Call ETF. You can press on buy. You can go on my non-registered account, press on that. You can fractional buy if you want, or you can actually buy through market buy, limit buy, stop buy, recurring buy, you name it. So if you want to do a fractional buy, we'll just do $10 right here. Press on continue. And if you want to confirm this purchase, I will be purchasing $10 worth, or roughly 0.5882 worth of shares from ZWC, which is the BMO Canadian High Dividend Covered Call ETF. But this works the exact same for whatever ETF you select from. It can be whatever one you want. So that is pretty much how to invest into an ETF or buy an ETF here in Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.